Hey guys, this is Poetspice and I am here to do this month's Anita Spellbinders collab for 2022. So I used Anna Griffin products, lots of Anna Griffin products. So we'll go ahead and show you that. And then make sure you head out and check out the other ladies in the collab. And we only have one more month. So let's get started. I used some ephemera stuff out of this one, which is the Finishing School Craft or Carte Noel. I used some out of this card kit, which is the Slimline Christmas Botanical. So use some out of there. I used this. Let me see if I can get the paper because it's all spreading apart now. I used this paper from Anna Griffin. It is called the Holiday Perfect Palette. So I used some of these. And these were designed to use with the layering dies. So that's actually what I did this time. So I used that paper. Oh yeah. I used some of this Anna Griffin Christmas Botanical paper. I actually used this piece. So 12 by 12. And then we'll show you the dies. So I used the layering dies for the Christmas stuff. I did not do a poinsettia though. I did the greenery. And so you can see how some of it's supposed to come out. Hopefully you can see that. So like here's this and the thingamabobby. And then I used the Woody Wagon. I did not use this piece or that piece though. And look, my wheel. I cannot find my wheel. I was doing something and it fell off my desk and it fell into something else. And now I can't find my wheel. I'm so sad. So let's go ahead and we'll start with the greenery. So somewhere in here is that die. I don't know. Okay, so let's start with the wreaths because I can see them easily. So I just did, rather than cutting, you know, a little scrap of paper for each little piece, I just went and cut each one of those out of 3 pieces of paper. So I cut the whole thing out of a light, a medium, and dark. And then I just altered them on the actual pieces. So if you pay attention, you can see how the order is different. Rather than trying to cut little pieces in, I did not want to do that. So there's the little wreaths. And then you could put, they have some little pieces in the other things where you could put the little bow and so forth on there. I would probably end up using like the Tim Holtz bow. That's a punch. And of course, can I find it? Let me see if I can find it. Oops, excuse me, I'll move the camera. Let me move it back. There we go. So like this little would be cute on here. It'd be kind of big, but who cares? Christmas is supposed to be over the top, right? Let me see if I can find a little something and cut a bow. Let's cut this bow right here. Okay, let's do it again because I popped it all over the floor. There we go. So just a scrap piece of paper. And you could make the little bow. Actually, it's a nice size for it. Can you see that? Probably not, but here, let me bring it up. It's actually a nice size for that. Go baby, it's your birthday. So that little Tim Holtz one. Then it has holly. It's got holly in 2 ways here. So you've got this one, and let me show you the other one. Okay, so you've got this one, which has like, you can tell a little bit different because it's only got like this one little bunch down here. So there's some little holly leaves. And then what's there? I think there is a little piece to put the red berry down there, but I was not cutting that out. So you could cut a little circle, put it on there, or which would be easier is just do some glitter glue or something like that for that one. And then here's the other one. And you can tell the difference because there's like 3 little berries at the bottom. Okay. Then I did the Christmas trees. So I was just having fun playing with the green. So yeah, you can see that. And they all look different because of the way the order is light, dark, and whatever. So I guess officially it would look like this. So you've got the dark on the back, the middle, then the light. But then it doesn't matter because it's trees. So you go mix it all. Okay, let me quit rambling. All right, next I did 2 woody wagons. So I had some scrap paper. So I'm going to show you the scrap paper one. And then there's some vellum in one of those kits. And of course, you know, the Anna gold. So here's the wagon. This silver back here and this silver gray that's in the back there were scraps left over from something. Maybe DCWV paper. I don't remember. Like I said, it was a scrap. But here you can see the foliage that came from the Anna Griffin. This gold is, of course, Anna Griffin gold. And this is actually vellum. So there was a piece of vellum in, I think, the Slimline kit. And so I was like, oh, I'm going to cut that. And then when you put it over here, it has a really nice look to it. I thought it looked fabulous. So I put that together, and then this is out of one of those sentiments. Then when you pull it up, it's always so hard to do. So then you can see this other piece of paper that I used, and the shiny one. And then I took another piece of ephemera, put that there. And then here's the thing to keep it an easel card. So you can put it like that and make it stand up. So you'll see it standing up. So I did that one, and then I used, well, you know I don't do matchy-matchy. And I didn't want to waste the stuff. So I used the vellum to cut out this. And then I did the gold. So then I just swapped their inlays. So it's vellum with gold and then gold with vellum. Once again, there's some Anna Griffin pieces here. And I wanted to do the wheels and I can't find my die. And then on the inside, this is that Anna Griffin paper. And so I put some more of the embellishments, another one of these. There. And this, believe it or not, is actually a piece left over from one of the cards. Because, you know, I hardly ever use stuff the way it's supposed to be used. So I'd ripped the card in half, and you have the cream side. And then I was like, well, I'm just going to use this. And this is where you can put your sentiment. So here is the woody wagon in vellum and gold. And then again in gold and the red vellum. I love it. So cute. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and go check out the other ladies. And then we only have one more month. Oh my. In the comments below, if you would like, you can make a suggestion for what collab you would like to see next year with all your collab. At the moment, I'm going between either another Stash Dive collab, or I am thinking of going with like an Anna Griffin diamond or I don't know, some kind of brand collab. So you can leave those comments below too. I hope you had a fabulous Thanksgiving, and I shall see you guys later. Be safe.